All right, guys, it's your boy Joe back at it again, CodingPhase.com. Today we have a new challenge for you guys, okay? Now, this is going to be an epic one. So, the challenge is going to be a collaboration between Coca-Cola and the UFC. All right, so yeah, I know you're excited. So, yeah, let's get into it. All right, so for those of you guys that don't know, on CodingPhase.com, we have a whole bunch of different new challenges every single month, right? And again, you can be part of these challenges by just joining the community. You can come in, sign up to CodingPhase as a diamond member, or you can just go into the website and literally click on my account, create your own account, and you could be part of the community completely for free and be part of this challenge. And not only be part of this challenge, but also get to vote. All right. So it doesn't matter if you are a beginner, if you're somebody experienced. I want you guys to be part of this challenge, okay? We will be going in and announcing the winner in January 2nd, okay? So you have from now to January 1st to go in and basically be part of the challenge. So let's get into it, right? Let's go in and show you guys what the challenge is. It's very simple, right? Last month we had the challenge of Thanksgiving and basically giving back, okay? This time around we have a challenge for Coca-Cola and the UFC. Imagine they have a collaboration. I don't know if you guys have seen the Coke bottles for the Marvel and Coca-Cola collaboration. Well, guess what? Now you're going to be able to build a project for a fictitious scenario where the Coca-Cola brand goes in and actually collaborates with UFC. So let's get into it, right? So Coca-Cola challenge. Coca-Cola has partnered with the UFC for a high energy digital campaign celebrating discipline, competition, peak performance. The campaign will run alongside major UFC fight season and will be promoted across social media, live events, and digital ads. The goal is to create a landing page that blends Coca-Cola's iconic brand with the intensity and grit of UFC, appealing to fight fans, athletes, and everyday competitors. You've been hired as a front-end developer, web administrator, but to be honest with you, if you want to go in and take it even further, build a mobile app, build an app for like a full stack application. Like, it's up to you. I'm leaving it up to you. I do give you some suggestions to basically give you some, ideas, but you could go ahead and build whatever you want as long as you stay within the scope of the project. Remember, this is a collaboration between Coca-Cola and the UFC. This is where you get to go in and do some research and start thinking with your brain. It's not about just learning how to code or just knowing how to code, right? It's about also too going in and solving problems. So again, the goal is to create a landing page that blends Coca-Cola's iconic with the intensity of grit of UFC, appealing with fans, athletes, and everyday competitors. You've been hired as a front-end developer, right? Again, you have all of this here. You could go in and do full stack, mobile app, whatever you decide to do. You could build a game. It's up to you. I want you to be creative. Your page should feel bold, powerful, modern, something that could realistically exist on a Coca-Cola or UFC digital campaign website. Okay, so again, your mission, pick one, right? Pick one concept. Again, you can go in and build your own, but I gave you some ideas. Fight night promo page, right? Promote the Coca-Cola UFC fight or pay-per-view and also show, this branding between both of them. Now, this is extra credit, right? In a sense, you can actually go in and use AI to create all of your images. So if you go out of your way to create the images, it's gonna make it even better. Okay, so again, I want you guys to start using your brain, start using your creativity, and go outside of the norm of just coding and just building some random bullshit project. I want you to go in and build something cool. So you have a Fight Night promo page, you could have an athlete spotlight page, you could have a giveaway fan engagement page, a community fitness challenge, an event activation page, or your own concept. It's up to you. All right. You also have optional enhancements, like, make sure that you're following the brands. Like we know Coca-Cola is red, right? So again, UFC is black. So if you could stay in those, those same colors, like it will be nice, because now you're going with the branding of the actual companies, right? So again, high contrast typography, fighter imagery, silhouettes, motion graphics, whatever you decide to do, countdown, video sections or animated transitions, all of these things will be a plus to have on your project. Now, how do you join the challenge? Like I said, any one of you guys can come here, go to CodingPhase.com, and literally click on my account. Okay, if you haven't registered yet to CodingPhase, all you have to do is go in, click on my account. It will allow you to create an account, and then from there, once you have already been registered, all you have to do is click on the community and then click on the challenges. Okay, once you're here, click over here and join the challenge. All right, I'm actually gonna join the challenge, and I'm gonna be part of this challenge too. So again, let's see what you guys create. Let's see what I create. We have 2 weeks, guys. Okay, 2 weeks. All right, 2 weeks for us to go in and actually go in and build this project. Let's see what we come up with, right? I mean, 2 weeks is enough time. All right, so please do not leave it for last minute. Also, too, remember that even if you're not part of this challenge and you can't be part of it, at least come in, register, and vote. I want you guys to go in to be able to register and vote for people. Also, too, you could remove your votes from people. So let's say right now somebody comes in, put something that's pretty cool today, all right, and it looks nice, you could vote for it. But then from there, if somebody comes in tomorrow and actually create something much better, you could remove that vote and give it to somebody else. All right, so please understand that this is something that the whole community can be part of, either by creating a project or even judging the projects. All right, it's very simple. Make sure that you go in and create a link for the project so we can actually see it. If it's a mobile application, create a video about it, or create something that we can see, right? That we can say, okay, this person created this project, and we can go in and judge it for that, right? If you launch it, maybe you could do Expo, you could share it on Expo, and we could download it. It's up to you. Right. So again, I'm just super excited for this, because I've been wanting you guys to be more active in the community. I've been wanting you guys to come in and actually start practicing your skills and practicing your creativity. This is why I'm doing these challenges. Okay, so this one's 2 weeks, guys. Please do not leave it for last minute. I mean, today is what, Friday? So again, try to get in there at least this weekend, see what you could come up with. And again, for anyone wondering, can you use AI? Of course, right? We are in 2025 going to 2026. Okay, this is not 1992. All right, guess what? If you can use AI to speed up the process, get you to help you build a project, go ahead. Okay, this is what we're trying to do with this project, and it's really more about honing to your skills, and also to the skills of creativity. This is where we at in 2026. So you need to make sure that you start nurturing that part of your brain of solving problems. It's not just about the click clack. It's not just about just coding all day. It's about looking at the problem. How can you use your technical skills to solve that problem? And again, this is what businesses want to see. By the way, shout out to everybody that is following me on the trading course. There's a lot of you guys that have came in and been taking the course. Right now, let me see if I go in and show you guys. Right, we're almost to the point where we've gone over everything. So for those of you guys that's interested in like coding, and also to going in, and once you start bringing in some money, or maybe you have some little money, some little pocket change that you want to go in and learn the skill, again, I could tell you guys that this thing changed my life. Like, I'll be honest, like, I don't even have to do much, as far as like, hey, I gotta bust my ass like I used to. I just go in and be like, hey man, if I can make anywhere from $500 to $1,500 a day, I'm Gucci. Okay, so again, what has allowed me to do that is really knowing how to trade, to be honest with you guys, right? So it's like, you come in, you learn how to code, you get a job. What do you do with that money? you go in and you decide, hey man, I want to invest in myself, build a business, maybe use some of that side income, put it into, my education, maybe put it into trading. Again, I share everything that I do that is profitable to me. So that way, some of you guys don't be like, man, Joe, you didn't put me on. I put you on. It's just up to you if you want to do it. Okay. So again, in here, we already have everything, the introduction to trading fundamentals, what is trading. We go into all of the different things that you need to know. Not everything in trading you need to know, to be honest with you. There's certain concepts and things that you need to focus on, and that's what we're focusing in here. And from there, we go into showing you guys how to use TradingView to actually go in and basically use the simulator so you can basically paper trade. Okay, you do not want to use your own money until you figure out what works for you. Okay, I'm gonna teach you the whole fundamentals, everything that you need to know, how to use the tools. I'm gonna give you my own indicators, the things that have helped me make some money with this. And then from there, what you do is you go take the course, like I said, and at the end of the day, what you want to do is you want to paper trade. Once you have been profitable, and you could say, what's your term? You say, well, I'm profitable for a month, I'm profitable for 2 months, I'm profitable for 6 months. Then you decide when you want to go in and use real money. And again, we're going to go from TradingView to showing you guys how to use Webull to go in trading. So again, everything is there. Now, I'm going to leave a link to that course on the description for anybody that's interested. Again, this is a video to update you guys on what we're doing. And again, a lot of cool stuff is happening on CodingPhase.com. You want to be part of it. You don't want to get left behind. Again, also too, for anyone wondering, you have till January 1st to become a diamond member to CodingPhase.com, so then you can lock in the legacy user. Okay, that right there is a legacy user status, which means that you came in before 2026. That allows you to get access to me, actually, responding back to your emails, whatever questions you might have. On top of that, we do meetings every single week. So again, you have those meetings with me. Anybody that signs up after January 1st, understand that the diamond membership does not come with the meetings. That is only for people that signed up previously. And again, it's up to you. Okay, if you find any value and you feel like, hey man, I would love to have Joe help me out in this process of learning how to code, learning how to set up my business, learning how to do the things that he's been able to do, hey, take advantage now. Come in, and I will suggest definitely take advantage of the sales that we have on CodingPhase.com. Okay, always go out there and try to catch a deal. You know what I'm saying? When you see the crackhead prices pop up, take advantage, lock it in. All right. Anyways, guys, for all of you guys that's here, I want to come in and tell you guys, like, yes, man, join the challenge, or at least join CodingPhase as a community member, so that way you can vote on who's the winner. Throughout this whole week, I'm going to give you guys updates, right? The next 2 weeks of the projects that people have came in and submitted. So that way you decide if that's a project that you will go in and vote for. All right. Anyways, guys, it's your boy Joe back at it again. CodingPhase.com. Take care. Peace.